Good day, everyone. I am Michael Jacob Diarnedo, grade 5 from San Gil Montessori Casa Rosario. Today's gospel is from Matthew verse 14, chapter 22 to 36. Jesus walks on water. My reflection for today's gospel are: the gospel of the day tells us about when Jesus walks on the water. The gospel reminds us of the power of faith. It has reminded us to keep our faith strong in Jesus. It also tells us that if we want to follow Jesus, we need to believe and trust Him at all times. It is said that when the apostles saw Jesus walking on water, they got terrified and mistakenly as a ghost. But Jesus said, "Take courage, don't be afraid." And when Peter replied, "Lord, it is you. Tell me to come to you on the water." But when he started moving towards Jesus, he saw the wind and felt afraid and sinking. That is when Peter shouted, "Lord, save me!" Immediately, Jesus reaches out his hand. It is a reminder to everyone in life that there are problems, issues, and troubles. We don't have to be afraid because Jesus, our Lord, is always with us. No matter what happens, we make sure that we have strong faith in Him and pray, call Him on His name. And Jesus will reach, help, and save us at all times. That's all for today's gospel. I would like to invite you all to subscribe on Facebook PH YouTube channel and download the Facebook apps or register at www.facebook.ph. Thank you and God first.